close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is outside of Heidelberg railway station. These are the like 𝗛𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, U-Bahn, subway train. These are the stations.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
This is the main entrance of railway station. But you can see outside there is so many cycles.
Wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It is 10 minutes from away from main station. And it is a road going to 𝗛𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Street. I'm going to place 𝗛𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Street. Let's see. These are the view of city on the top of the 𝗛𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and there is a boat. Next time I'm walking on 𝗛𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and it's really cool. Both sides green, and on the top you can see there is the city view from the top. Really nice from the top, and it is really nice city, Heidelberg. I heard about many things. Just today, unfortunately, I got chance to wait in Heidelberg because I am going some other direction. Just I take off for 3 or 2 hours. 3 hours I show you something about Heidelberg. And these are the view, and it's really interesting. And it's quite hot today weather, almost 30+ degree temperature here. And these are the way. I think it's very long. I want to go till the last end, and I have to go in city side. And so in city side something like City Square and Rathaus or Old Bridge. There is so many things in Heidelberg. Even one day not enough in Heidelberg. But in the short time I will try to show almost whatever possible. Old Bridge. These are the, I'm just saying from top. So it's looking here. Otherwise, really far. These are city map. You can see how many places. They are mentioned on number is location 34, and there is the number which number is where. They are just in the map. Castle. There kind of that in the mountain side, in the green, all the sides of the green. That's really short. Heidelberg. It's near about like old bridge. It's looking near, but I think it's quite far because I'm on the top side, so it's looking nearby. So just I know that is the slopes of Heidelberg. You can see in one frame there is 2 things. One is the bridge, another is the slopes. are the and this was the backside that I show you from the top view. And then I'm walking towards the old city. This was where I went, like 𝗛𝗏𝗶𝗴𝗲𝗏𝗏. That was the that side on the top. And from there I take that video, 𝗛𝗏𝗶𝗴𝗲𝗏 bridge. These are the bus stops for University Palace, and these are the University Museum. Backside that building is called University Museum. These are building of Heidelberg University, and this is called Seminarstraße. These are the state of University of very beautiful street. Small homes, Polish. There are also there is building on the top side in this video. In the corner there is house. These are rest. Here you can see a lot of homes in this street for you, and really busy. On this street directly going to Bismarckplatz. Total more than 1 kilometers. This is old city market street. This street going to all the start. This street goes to all the start. And it's like more than a by walking on. And from here, many streets are near about just 1 to 2 kilometers. You can get here from tram or bus. And really good. And all the places are near about. Just walking distance or 1 or 2 stations with tram or bus. These are Bismarckplatz. This place there is a bus, there is tram. This is the bike. And backside is the street. Now I have to go main railway station for taking my train. Let's see. Then railway station. Finally, I'm back. These are outside of the railway station. Just running times. Just taking my train again. Return.